Let's face it, as an agency, managing e-commerce clients can be a real mess and time-consuming these days. You're lost in tracking setup, swamped by data from 8 sources, and you are wasting hours on numbers that confuse both you and your client during your client meetings. The answer to your challenges? Reaction.com. The all-in-one platform tailored to scaling operations and profits for e-commerce businesses. With Reaction, you can access and streamline all your e-commerce and marketing data on one platform, providing you with a single source of truth. Reaction doesn't just offer a crystal-clear overview of your data, it also enhances your tracking and delivers deep insights into the actual performance of each marketing channel. Understand which channels, campaigns, and ads are most effective in driving your profit and achieving the lowest cost of acquiring new customers. Analyze all your ads from all your marketing channels on a single platform. Scale up your winning, high-performing, profitable ads, and easily pause the losers. Sort by gross profits, CAC, new customers, return rate, and many more of Reaction's unique metrics. Quickly analyze your product sales data. Make informed decisions to plan your marketing campaigns based on seasonality, profits, and much more. Back in the golden days, relying solely on in-platform metrics was sufficient for executing successful paid marketing campaigns. But times have changed due to iOS, ad blockers, and other challenges. Luckily, you can now depend on Reaction's one-of-a-kind customer journey tracking and attribution module. Reaction supports multiple attribution models. Whether you're a fan of the classic first/last click, prefer the straight line of a linear model, or crave the sophistication of our data-driven model, Reaction got you covered. And the best part? You'll finally figure out where to splash that precious marketing budget. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to smart ad spending. Have you ever wondered about the real value of a new customer in your business? Furthermore, can you accurately determine the true profit they bring over time? Reaction deepens your insight by analyzing 2 years of sales and customer lifetime value data. It seamlessly integrates to reveal key sales and profit trends, painting a clear picture of long-term customer value. Plus, with advanced cohort analytics like CAC, repurchase rates, and detailed financial metrics, you're equipped to strategically scale your business.